Hi everyone, in this new tutorial I will guide you how to insert Hijri date that updated automatically. First you need to place the cursor where you want to put the Hijri date, and after that go to the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side you will see that date and time. Click on that. A box will be appeared with the different date formats in that. So here you need to click the language to the Arabic, and here you need to click the calendar type to the Hijri, and now select the available formats which you want to prefer. I'll be select this date, and now click the update automatically. Now this date will update automatically on day-to-day basis. Now click OK, and this is what you can write Hijri date that updated automatically. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.